Well, hello friends, my name's Antonio and welcome to Back at the Ranch. And it's week 2 update. Although you may have noticed in the thumbnail that it's actually week 3. So what do I mean by that? So this is the second week for you guys. But this is actually week 3 for me as far as growth is concerned. So I apologize, don't get discouraged. You'll get there. I just have an extra week on you guys, but I'm going to skip a week. So the next video you see will still be the same growth. So I will slow down and you guys can catch up to me. So in a nutshell, what I do is I pre-record these videos and put them out at least a week or 2 in advance. But in the middle of job searching, fishing, and setting up at the ranch, getting ready for hunting season, time got the better of me. And I just haven't been able to record the last week. So here I am. So first of all, thank you for watching if you've been watching since I started this series. And if this is the first time you come to this channel watching this as far as the beard is concerned, thanks for showing up the first time. Please like, subscribe, comment below. Let me know how your growth is going. And if you haven't watched the full series, go ahead and click on the link that's going to be at the end of this video. I'll leave basically 3 videos prior to this one. So one where I shaved off my 15-year-old beard. I got a reaction from my wife and my daughter. And then after that, I talked to you guys about what my plans are as far as growing it back and the products that I'm working with to grow it back. Right, so I'll leave that link again at the end of this video. So but the first product that I talked about was Beard Boost. And I said that I had left it at the RV. And again, for those of you that are new, this is not just a beard channel. I do hunting, fishing, vlogging, property maintenance, and other things. And when I do fishing, I'm in an RV and I had forgotten my Beard Boost vitamins. But I actually just got out of the shower, so it's time for me to take my vitamin. And just for reference, that's what it looks like. It's just a capsule with powder in it. Cold water. Drink water every day, guys. That's going to help with your beard growth as well. Stay hydrated. But step 1 is staying healthy, staying hydrated, getting the vitamins that you need. If you already take a multivitamin, check the ingredients that are on here. In a nutshell, the key ingredient in here is going to be biotin. But it does have a lot of other vitamins as well. So if there are certain vitamins that you're not supposed to take over a certain dosage, make sure that you are comparing this to what you're currently taking. But for the most part, they're common vitamins that everybody needs. And there are some proprietary blend ingredients in this as well. And I'll post that up here on the side for you guys to check out if it's not already up there. But step 2, which actually happens in conjunction with step 1, is Beard Roller. So I've been using my Beard Roller since I started growing the beard. Well, I take that back after the first week because I didn't have this one. But a Beard Roller, basically what it is, it's literally what it sounds like. So it's a roller that you're going to roll around on your beard. You're going to have Derma needles on there, which are, it's called really not a beard roller. It's called a Derma Roller because it's for your skin, not for your beard. But little tiny needles on here. I don't know if this will show up on camera, but there you go. Right? So micro needles, basically. What this is going to be used for is you're going to roll it on your skin and it's going to open up the pores and promote hair growth. But you're going to use this in conjunction with your growth serum, which has essential oils. It's going to have also biotin, which is going to help on the skin, and a bunch of other ingredients. And that is way too small to read without my glasses. So I'll put those ingredients up on the screen. Or better yet, at the end of this video, click the link below that's in the description. You can go to the website and you can see the ingredients in both of these. Much easier to read than me flashing it on the screen. And not only that, if you like these products and you like what you're seeing, when you click that link, they know that I sent you over to their website, and that's Live Bearded. And basically I get a referral credit for that. So if you want to support the channel, click the link down there, and any products that you purchase, I get a referral credit. But in addition to that, you can use the code Antonio so that you can get a discount as well. So by using the link in the description, it should automatically apply the discount, but the cookie only lasts for about 30 to 45 days. So if you use the code Antonio, they'll know I sent you. I would prefer that you use my link. That way it's guaranteed that they know I sent you. Just bookmark that link and we're good to go. But back to the Derma Roller. So pretty cool Derma Roller. It comes in this nice hard case. So if you travel, you can travel with it. If you don't travel, it's still good, you know, to throw in a drawer or what have you. But when you order your Derma Roller, you can either order the Derma Roller by itself, and the reason for that is because they do need to be replaced. Or you can order the kit, which the kit comes with a serum that I just showed you, but it also comes with a cleanser or a cleaner. So in a nutshell, what you're going to be doing, you take that Derma Roller, you take your cleaner, right? Which is just a spray with it's a sanitizer spray, so it's going to have different ingredients in there, alcohol being the key ingredient, and you're just going to spray it. Now, I'm not going to spray it because I've already done that prior to starting to record, because once you spray it good, liberally, shake it off, and then let it dry off, because you don't want all the alcohol and everything to be getting on your skin. That can sting a bit. But once you've done that, prep your skin, and by that I mean wash it well. Soap, shampoo, you know, facial soap, or just regular scalp shampoo will do as well. So I just got out of the shower myself. I'm already prepped. I don't have to wash at this point because it's already been washed. But if you don't have a good beard wash, face wash, or hair wash for that matter, again, check out Live Bearded. Click the link below. They've got some awesome products there that will work perfectly and pair well with a Derma Roller. So once it's clean and you're clean, all you're going to do is this, and I'm going to be looking at the mirror right behind you, is literally, you just want to apply slight pressure, not really, really hard, and just roll back and forth 5 or 6 times in the same area, right, up and down. And you'll notice that I'm kind of staying in the same zone. I'm not moving all over the place, so I can kind of keep track of how many times I went over it, right? So that's 2. And notice I am going down here as well, because I'm going to grow a long beard. If you guys haven't seen what my beard looked like before, you can check out again the first video. But in a nutshell, once my beard gets to a certain length, I'm going to start letting my neck hair grow. And my neck does grow all the way down to here. So I primarily focus up here because this is where I want the main growth to be, but I will go down here as well. Now, you've noticed I've been going side to side. Now we're going to go up and down. So just change the direction. You can go at a diagonal as well if you want. And all this is doing is it's poking little micro holes, right? The micro needles are going into your skin and opening up the pores. So I'm going to go over my entire beard in the same manner that I just did. You know, you can do it faster, you can do it slower. The key is don't apply too much pressure. Easy pressure, just enough to penetrate the skin. And it doesn't hurt, by the way. It's very smooth. It's just a roller. It's just like rolling pretty much anything, a little piece of plastic over your skin. Now, if you start feeling pain, that means that your roller probably needs to be replaced. So I'd say every 2 to 3 months, at least for me, the way I use mine, because I use my Derma Roller at least twice a week. I have decent hair growth, and I have for quite some time, but I like to use this to promote additional hair growth. And once I've established my beard, I kind of stop using it just because my beard gets very thick and it's difficult to get to the skin. But if you're going to maintain a short beard, you might want to use this on a regular basis just to make sure it stays thick and short and thick, basically is what I'm trying to say. So let me go ahead and finish this, and I'll be right back with you. All right, that's all it takes is just nice and easy over it. If you start feeling any type of irritation, you've probably gone over that area enough. And again, you're poking small holes on your skin. The only place I feel irritation right now is going to be down here, because prior to taking a shower, I did shave, cleaned it up. I didn't use any aftershave or lotions or anything. So this area was already irritated from shaving. So I did the lower part less just because it was already irritated. And once I started feeling the burn, and I'm talking about like an aftershave burn, once you start feeling that, just stop in that area. Continue in the other areas that are not irritated, which is going to be where you have most of the growth. Or maybe you have some patches. For example, can't see it because it's growing in already. I have a small patch, maybe about the size of a quarter. But when I use this Derma Roller on it, it promotes that growth and kind of fills in that patch. Which, by the way, this works on the head as well. Anywhere you want to promote hair growth, these will work. I would encourage you to buy 2 because the oils on the skin up here are different than the oils on the skin down here. Maybe get one for, spots that you want to work on. Maybe you have a receding hairline. You can kind of promote the growth there. It works, so it's been scientifically proven to work. So once you go over, you want to take that cleaner once again and spray it down liberally. And again, I'm going to turn that gently. There you go, nice and heavy. Shake off the excess, and I'm going to put that down back in the tray so it'll dry. Once it's completely dry, then I'll close it. I don't like to close it while it's still drying. Now we move on to the serum, which again, you're going to treat this kind of like a beard oil. So I'm just taking a dime size, right? A little bit dime size. Work it into the hands here. Just work into your skin. To the fingers. Smells good too. So again, you're just working into the skin, and again, that's going to help promote hair growth. So again, Beard Boost vitamins, Derma Roller, serum, and don't forget to sanitize that Derma Roller. Something I want to say about the Derma Roller is, again, they are needles. You're poking the skin. Do not share this with anyone. If you have someone in your household that wants to give it a try, make sure that they get their own. Because again, you are poking the skin and you don't want to be transferring bacteria or anything from one person to the other, because you could potentially transfer blood and other things from one person to the other. So once you buy it, once you use it, it's yours, no one else's. Use it. It's a minimum of 1 month, a maximum of, I'd say, 3 to 4 months, depending on how often you use it and how you're taking care of it. Once it wears out, you don't need to buy the kit. You can just buy the individual Derma Roller and continue to use it. So pretty much at this point, I'm done. This is what I've been doing for the last 3 weeks. And as you can see, this is the growth that we got. And I'll put a photo right here next to me so you can see what it looked like week 1. So I guess 3 weeks ago. So from there to here, and that's all I've been doing. Just taking my vitamins, using the Derma Roller, and letting it grow. Now you will notice though that I am trimmed. Covered that in the first video. Just maintain it, keep a line that works for you. Everybody's going to be different. Same thing here on the cheeks. I get high growth about right here. So I like to kind of bring it down to the lips. If your growth is lower, then maybe you want to kind of square it off. Find the line that works best for you. Use the Derma Roller in the spots that you want to promote growth. So if you want it to come up kind of the way mine is, use the Derma Roller in those areas. 2 to 3 times a week should be fine. So you can use it as little as once a week, or you can use it 3 to 4 times a week. I wouldn't recommend anything beyond 3 though. So maybe you can do Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. Let your beard rest or your skin rest on the weekend. Trim it up and start the process all over again. So that's week 2. Hopefully you guys have enjoyed the feedback that I've given you. Again, don't forget to click the link down below so you can read all about these products. And again, so that you can support the channel. Thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you next time on Back at the Ranch.